Hello everybody, so now I'm at week 1 trying to make recording from the editor video tutorial rating. So we click on new discussion topic, so I have written it, and then the message. So let's look through the icons. So here we can see record audio. And if you want to, you can start recording. Then video also. Record a video. You can record your video by clicking the next button, start recording. And we have more advanced icons here, the same audio and video. Let's try them. So the first one we have clicked, and so we can see the green button. Let's click it and trying to record the voice. Okay, then check it. Everything is okay, and we can upload it. Okay, here it is. Then the same with video. Let's click this icon. Okay, here I am. So let's record. Hello everybody. Then the next button is play. Okay, everything is okay. Let's check it. Let's save it, sorry. So and we can see that we saved the video and audio here. So, and then if you want, you can pause to full. Thank you.